In this video, I will give you some reasons why learning English is so important nowadays. 1. Access to information. The majority of online content, research papers, and academic resources are in English. Knowing English allows you to stay informed and learn continuously. 2. Travel. English is the universal language of airports, hotels, and maps. It opens doors to explore new places. 3. Study. The world's top universities use English. Learning this language is like opening a book full of knowledge. 4. Work. Global companies value employees who speak English. It's a passport to professional opportunities. 5. Culture and music. Imagine understanding song lyrics and movie dialogues in English. English connects us to stories and melodies. 6. International friends. With English, you can make friends anywhere. You become a citizen of the world. 7. Personal growth. Mastering English expands your horizons and increases your confidence. It's an investment in your future. So, keep studying English and unlock a world of possibilities. Now I'll leave you with a task. Based on what you learned in this text, try to say, in your own words, why learning English is so important nowadays. See you in the next video.